Hello, happy Tuesday. It is May 12th, 2020, and I hope that you guys are all ready to have a wonderful day today. You are going to do a Flipgrid today, and this is a challenge. You only have 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, you have to tell me as many things as you can think of that can be red. For example, an apple, a fire truck. I'm going to stop there. I don't want to give away too many hints, so good luck for your challenge. You will have another student today in our spotlight. Something very creative was shown today. We are going to check in with me. Tell me how you are feeling. Again, we have another activity that's related to the end of the school year instead of logging into iReady today. You have a video to watch about a reading lesson, and then you're going to put something in order of a sequence of events, okay? Then you're going to log into iReady Math today, and you are going to watch a video that is related to coins again and money. And then you're going to answer a few questions on a problem about money. Then today, please complete one of your special activities. Okay? Have a terrific Tuesday. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.